T2 स्पेस, इसे हम लोग हाउसडॉर्फ स्पेस भी बोलते हैं, हाउसडॉर्फ स्पेस। डेफिनेशन, ए टोपोलॉजिकल स्पेस XJ is called T2 space if for every x comma y is member of x, x does not equal to y, there exist two open set U V such that x is member of U, y is member of V, and U intersection V is equal to 5। मीन्स किसी टोपोलॉजिकल स्पेस XJ को हम T2 स्पेस कहेंगे इफ B कैन सेपरेट एनी टू डिस्टिंक्ट पॉइंट ऑफ दिस टोपोलॉजिकल स्पेस with the help of two distinct open sets, say U and V। Example, let x is equal to 1 comma 2, j is equal to 5x 1 and 2, then xj is T2 space। Here only two distinct points are available, 1 and 2। One is member of open set singleton 1, 2 is member of open set singleton 2, and open set singleton 1 intersection with open set singleton 2 is equal to 5, which satisfy the definition of T2 space। So XJ is T2 space। Theorem, every convergent sequence in Hausdorff space has unique limit point। प्रूफ, यूनिकनेस हम कंट्राडिक्शन मेथड से प्रूफ करते हैं। रफ आइडिया क्या है प्रूफ करने का ये पहले डिस्कस करते हैं। मान लीजिए ये हमारे पास XJ T2 स्पेस है, T2 स्पेस। लेट XN be a sequence in this topological space which converges to point L and also it converges to point M. L, M are distinct point, so we can separate by two distinct open set. So we can separate it by two distinct open set, say U and V. U intersection V is equal to 5। But by definition of convergence of sequence, Xn converges to L, So U contains infinitely many term of xn. Xn also converges to M. So by definition of convergence of sequence, V also contains infinitely many terms of sequence xn. This implies that U intersection V not equal to phi, which contradicting the fact U intersection V is equal to phi. Hence, every convergent sequence in Hausdorff space have unique limit point. इसे हम प्रिसाइज वे में लिखते हैं, लेट xn be a convergent sequence in Hausdorff space xj such that xn tends to L as n tending to infinity and xn also tends to M as n tending to infinity, where L does not equal to M. L, M is member of capital X. As X is Hausdorff space, there exists open set UV such that L is member of U, M is member of V, and U intersection V and U intersection V is equal to phi. By definition of convergence of sequence, xn tends to L as n tending to infinity and L is member of U. So by definition of convergence of sequence, U contains infinitely many members of xn. There exists natural number n1 such that xn is member of U provided n is greater than capital N1. Also, xn converges to M as n tending to infinity and M is member of V. So V contains infinitely many terms of xn. Also, there exists natural number n2 such that xn is member of V provided small n greater than n2. Let n equal to maximum of n1 n2. Here, if we take small n greater than capital N1, then xn is member of U, if we take small n greater than capital N2, then xn is member of V. If we take small n greater than maximum of n1 and n2, that is n, then xn is member of U and xn is also member of B. Then xn is member of U and xn is member of V. This implies that xn is member of U intersection V when small n is greater than capital N, which is a contradiction. It is contradicting the fact that U intersection V is equal to phi, which is contradiction. ये कंट्राडिक्शन हमको क्यों मिला? ये कंट्राडिक्शन हमें इसलिए मिला क्योंकि हमने मान रखा है xn कन्वर्जेंट सीक्वेंस है इन हास्ड ऑफ स्पेस such that xn have two limit point. So our supposition that xn converges at two limit point is wrong. So our supposition that xn tends to L as n tending to infinity and xn tends to m as n tending to infinity is wrong. Hence every convergent sequence in Hausdorff space has unique limit point.